So here we are, downtown Lismore CBD. It's been raining here the past probably half an hour. Good to have a bit of rain to wash some of the mud away, but rain, please, fuck off. And it's just so devastating when you come down and see it firsthand. It takes a while for it to really sink in. It's just chaos, man. I think a lot of people will be trying to get in today, but apparently a lot of structural damage to these buildings, so adhere to the warnings. It's just devastating. Morning, guys.
Hello, buddy.
Streets are very slippery. Careful if you do get down today. Who knows how long this rain's going to last for. Pavers completely ripped up. Oh, words cannot express. Oh, it's just so sad. Man, this is unbelievable. Oh, this is where it was still all flooded yesterday. Majority of the water's cleared. Oh, God. It's just so hard to fathom how high this water actually come up. Like this entire town submerged. There it is. You just cannot fathom the devastation down here.